Hi there, Rob and Cody from Word of Mouth Floors. Today we're going to talk about what is a floating floor. So Cody, what's a floating floor?
Great question, Rob. So floating floor is essentially when you have planks of flooring that's not adhered to the ground or to any of the wall base surrounded. So commonly, you've got a click lock system where the actual vinyl plank or laminate planks just lock right together. Alternatively, with engineered hardwood, if you float the floor, what you use is a tongue and groove adhesive. So this is the tongue and that's the groove. So you put the tongue and groove adhesive right in between the planks there and you interlock it like that.
Love it, love it. And then we're not adhering it to anything. So we're not gluing it down or stapling it down or butting it up against any wall or any permanent structure. We're laying out a roll of underlayment here, or as Cody just showed on one of these products, some of them actually have the underlayment attached already. Flooring types that come in floating floor application?
Yeah, we've got a few different options, Rob. So most commonly, SPC, as we had showed here. So SPC is a stone polymer composite, and it's 100% waterproof. The majority of them come with an underpad already attached to, so you can already just install directly to the floor. We also have laminate flooring, which is very common in the industry. Again, a click lock system, so you just need to put that underlay roll down first. And then as I showed before, we've got engineered hardwood plank. So engineered hardwood, you put down the underlay, you put the engineered hardwood in, and you interlock it just using tongue and groove adhesive.
Love it, love it. Okay, that's floating floor and the flooring types that you can use a floating floor application. Rob from Word of Mouth Floors, Cody from Word of Mouth Floors, have a great day.